guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing my super simple but yet delicious crab cake recipe. To get started, here are the ingredients I will be using. Here I have my crab meat. I have some lump crab meat and some claw crab meat. And I will be using this salmon cake mix here. Usually I would use the Old Bay crab cake mix, but they didn't have any at the store, like they're all out of it, and so I'll be using this one. When I check the ingredients behind, it says the same exact ingredients as the crab cake mix, so that means it's the same thing and it can be used in almost any seafood. So this one I'll be using, and I have here some red bell peppers, some onions, some cilantro, I have some lemon juice, some mayonnaise, green bell peppers, some garlic powder, and black pepper. So now we'll add both the crab meat to a large bowl and we will mix until well combined. You want to be very gentle with your crab meat because you don't want to break it up too much. So once you've got your crab meat well combined, next we'll add the lemon juice. We will mix that in. That will get rid of any smells, rankness or anything that might be in the crab meat. And then we will add our onions, peppers, cilantro, and we will add the seasonings. We will add garlic powder, the black pepper, and we'll add our salmon cake mix. The salmon cake mix has all the seasonings you need in there. It has Old Bay, a lot of, spices and stuff. And you don't need to add any salt or anything. That mix has all the salt and everything that you'll need. Then we will add our mayonnaise and we will mix this all in. Be very gentle when you're doing this step because you don't want to break up your crab too much. And once we've got everything mixed in, I'll show you guys the next step. And once you're done combining all of the ingredients, this is how it should be looking. Okay guys, so I have my crab cakes all made out, and I thought I hit record when I was doing this step, but I wasn't, so I didn't get to show you guys when I was doing this. But it's super simple and easy. You just form your crab cakes out into the size that you like. And now we will go ahead and start frying them in the air fryer. So now we'll go ahead and fry these in my air fryer, and I will put this on the fish setting. If you don't have a fish setting, it will be 400 degrees for about 10 minutes. And after about 10 minutes, this is how your crab cakes should be looking. Now we will continue frying the others until they are all done. Okay guys, so this is how I make a super simple, delicious, and flavorful crab cake in my air fryer. I do hope you guys give this recipe a try, and if you enjoyed that video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will leave all the ingredients down in my description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!